Welcome, everyone, to the inaugural running of the Trans-France race. They're all here, qualifying drivers and cars from the world over, each looking forward expectantly for the chance at the magnificent trophy. $5,000 with a big gold prize. This promises to be one of the most punishing races ever, and these drivers know it. They've no doubt gone to these cars time after time after time, and yet we have them all here still refining and tuning car after car, each preparing for the grueling race that will test the endurance of men and machine.
Right now, I just wish I had a machine to test.
Yeah, I hope, what's-his-name didn't hide Herbie so well he can't find it.
Oh, I wish you hadn't said that. I mean, I'm a mechanic. And a mechanic is nothing without his car. There's a million and one little details have to be taken care of for a race. And you know me, how I pride myself on being thorough. My tools! Where's my tools?
Right here.
I knew that.
Attention, tous les membres de la presse. Je vous prie d'employer les bancs.
Inspector, the race is about to begin. Where's our car?
Believe me, I am as concerned as you are. But I'm sure Fontenoy will be here. He's unpredictable, but he's dependable.
What?
Let me check visit photos again.
Le pilote de la voiture française. Je vous prie de vous rapporter au staffer.
He'll be here. You'll be ready. Who's that? Double X, you dummy. Uh-oh. Better duck. Here comes trouble.
Hello.
Hello. Look, about last night.
I know. Me too. Sorry.
Not about missing me with that vase, I hope.
No. I guess I was a little uptight last night. Nervous about the race.
Yeah. Well, I threw a few brickbats myself. In the wrong direction.
We didn't get off to what you'd call a flying start, did we?
Herbie and I take a little getting used to.
When you keep including Herbie like that, you take a lot of getting used to. By the way, where is it?
Well,
Douglas, did you misplace your little car?
just temporarily.
You should look under a rock or two. You might find it.
No, not under rock, Gilbert. Under a gravestone.
Attention, everyone. All drivers, bring your machines to the grid. 5 minutes till race time.
It's just as well, Douglas. You know the saying. They never come back.
Well, I better go.
Diane. Good luck.
I think you mean that.
Drivers, will please take your position as quickly as possible. Et now, pour le moment, mesdames et messieurs, je vous donne les positions de départ. Nous avons au départ le Jim Douglas dans la voiture numéro 53. À l'extérieur, nous avons Diane Darcy au numéro 7. Dans la deuxième rangée, nous avons Claude Gilbert dans la voiture 66. Et à l'extérieur,
You know something? That launch is waiting on Herbie.
Yeah, well, so are we, and all we need is her hanging around. Allez, poussez, poussez! No, mademoiselle.
Listen,
I hope you had nothing to do with this.
I didn't, but I think I can tell you who did.
I know, it's your Herbie.
That's right. Herbie's missing, and your lunch is missing Herbie.
You must think I'm an absolute fool with this Herbie. Well, I don't believe in fairy tales or Herbie or you.
Jim, pop the hood, will you?
What are you doing?
You want your car started, don't you?
Listen, I know how you feel, but you better get over it right now. Forget Herbie. You know why he isn't here, don't you? He's found somebody else, that's why. And he didn't have the guts to tell you himself, so I'm telling you. Oh, yeah. We're talking about the same guy, all right. Old Herbie. Old fun-loving, fickle Herbie. Now you see him? Now you don't.
He's right, you know. So far, we've had to tell this to a Fiat, a Thunderbird, and an Austin Healey. I know how you feel. It's fun while it lasted, but you know, the truth is, you weren't the first, and you won't be the last. You might as well take off.
Will somebody help me start my car?
Oui, mademoiselle. S'il vous plaît, let me have a look.
Thank you.
No problem.
I was beginning to think everybody around here was crazy.
Well, so much for the lunch.
Yeah, so much for both of them, I guess.
Mesdames et messieurs, veuillez quitter toute la ligne de départ. La ligne de départ. With members of the public.
Let's go. Don't you like to got pole position?
I also realize we don't have a car.
But it'll be here. You can count on that.
Well, it better be. In 2 minutes, Douglas. Or you can try again next year.
Mesdames et messieurs, dans quelques secondes, nous aurons l'inauguration de la première course Trans-France. Ladies and gentlemen, the first inaugural riding of the Trans-France race is about to begin. Nous avons un jeune garçon du nom de Marc au sein des chronométreurs. Les parents voudront bien venir chercher leur fils.